as witnesses to and rightful custodians of the Declaration of Independence, by which the sovereignty of this nation has been established, and which clearly states that governments derive their just powers from the consent of the governed, and that it is the right of the people to alter such government whenever any form of it becomes destructive to the end of the people's rights to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness, and within which the imposition of taxes upon the people without their consent is clearly mentioned as an example of an objectionable act of government. We, the people of the United States of America, with whom all actual power resides according to our written Constitution, which is the supreme law of this land, and which has been written by the people of the United States in order to form a more perfect union, establish justice, ensure domestic tranquility, provide for the common defense, promote the general welfare, and secure the blessings of liberty to ourselves and our posterity. Demand that should at least 50 million citizens who are of the legal age to vote express their agreement with the concepts outlined in this document by way of email sent to their state and or federal legislators transmitted from the website www.simplyamericanpride.com and or any other legible electronically transmitted document generated by any computer through which legally binding contracts may be executed, and or by fax and or by way of written petition. This document, whose concepts are described below, shall be placed on all ballots in a nationally held election which most closely follows the accumulation of said 50 million citizens expressing, as described above, agreement with said concepts, and that should, in said nationally held election, the voters, in what shall amount to or exceed 3/4 of the states of the Union, cast their votes in agreement with the concepts represented in this document, in numbers equaling or exceeding 3/4 of said state's total number of votes cast in said election, said concepts, as described in this document, shall become, by way of legislative action, within 30 days of said election, amendments to the Constitution of the United States of America. 1. Lobbyists must pay the people for the ability to seek political favor. 2. Full, legally binding disclosure of political activities by all elected officials. 3. Decisions regarding the compensation of public servants are made by the people. 4. The system of taxation is decided upon by the people. 5. All public officials are fully accountable under all circumstances to the people. 6. The public shall be provided means by which to monitor and act upon all of the above, and to cause to be enacted through their own direct, unimpeded effort, legal legislation of the concepts that they deem worthy of being law.